Hi and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. In this video we're going to be making hash browns. So for this recipe I like to use russet potatoes, and I found that keeping the russet potatoes in the refrigerator for about a week makes the hash browns come out a little bit better. There's no scientific evidence to support that, but tasting it seems to taste better. So try it if you'd like. I like to use about 2 to 3 pounds. You can scale the recipe up or down depending on your needs. But to prepare the potatoes, cut them into about 1-inch cubes, and then I partially cook them in the microwave. It takes about 4 to 5 minutes, and once the potatoes have had a chance to par cook in the microwave, I'm going to get our pan ready. So I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a hot pan. It should be at medium to medium-high heat, maybe a little bit hotter at first. And once I've added the potatoes to the pan, I like to just quickly stir them to make sure they're all coated with a little bit of oil, and then I'm going to let them sit for about 4 to 5 minutes until they start to crisp a little bit on the bottom side, and then I'm going to stir them to get the uncooked sides in contact with the hot pan, and then I'm going to repeat the process, stirring every 4 to 5 minutes until the potatoes have browned nicely. So while the potatoes are cooking, I like to add just about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just so the potatoes have a chance to absorb a little flavor during the cooking process. Once the potatoes have browned nicely on all sides, I'm going to go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of butter as well as some seasoning. And so I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, teaspoon of onion powder, teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of paprika. And then I'm just going to toss the potatoes and the seasoning together. Now these potatoes are really good by themselves, but you can also add a little bit of pimento cheese to this and let the cheese melt on the top, and they just come out super good. I'll put the link to the pimento cheese in the bottom of this video if you'd like to learn how to make that. Here I'm just adding a little bit of shredded cheese because I don't have any extra pimento cheese on hand, just to give a little bit of a cheesy effect. And here it is, homemade hash browns, great with any breakfast dish. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.